Yeah, please unmute yourself, Varsha. I can hear you.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Can
Sir,
you
I
please
am glad.
introduce?
Yes,
It's okay. Can you introduce yourself?
sir, I am Barsa Mohapatra. Now I am doing LLM in Utkal University.
Okay. Before that, where did you do your LLB from?
Sir, I have LLB completed from Biraja Law College, Jaspur.
Okay. Biraja local is that's good. Uh, there are three sects of Hindu religion. Do you know which sect Odisha and West Bengal belong to?
Yes, sir.
What is that
Yes,
sect?
sir.
What is it? What is it?
Sir, Mitax Kara.
No, no, you are talking about the school of law. I am talking about the sect. There is one
Yes, sir.
Shaiva, there is Shaiva, Vaishnava, and Sakta. Oh,
Sir, I don't know it.
okay. Viraja Kshetra, we are basically from Sakta sect.
Yes, sir.
We believe in goddess, the power of goddess more. Our festivals also are centered around women goddesses and goddesses.
Yes.
Like Raja festival, Durga Puja. Every festival is centered around goddess. Kali Puja and everything. Saraswati Puja. Okay. What is your favorite law subject, Varsha?
Sir, TRTP, Transfer Property Act.
Transfer of Property Act. Okay. Can you tell me the difference between a vested interest and a contingent interest?
Sir, Western interest, Western interest. Vestation at the time of the transfer, but contingent listed after certain happening of uncertain event, it is transferred to the transferee.
Okay. Okay. Can you also tell me uh, what is the doctrine of marshalling?
Yes, sir. Sir, when one person mortgage to a property to another person, then sell it to another person, mortgage it to another person, then subsequent transferee can say that the transfer that you can retrieve the property which is not mortgaged to the transferee, subsequent transfer.
Okay. Right. Uh, so tell me what is a caveat?
Yes, sir. Caveat issued under 148A of CPC, which said that when court issue any order, a previous notice shall be given to the applicant. It is valid for 90 days limitation period.
Okay. Okay. Can you tell me uh, can you tell me what are the new and emergent thoughts?
Yes, sir. It is nervous shock, negligence also added, malicious prosecution, and strict liability. Absolute liability also, sir, added.
Okay. Also tell me when a private person can arrest a person.
Yes, sir. In his presence, if any cognizable offense and non-available offense is committed, then he can arrest without private person can arrest.
Okay. Uh, can you tell me what is a GI tag, geographical indication tag?
Uh, Three GI tag given to the particular product which is produces from particular geography area such as Assam tea, Darjeeling tea.
Yes. Okay. Do you know what is a Khas Mahal land?
So I don't know.
Nazul land?
Sir,
Okay. Can you tell me the difference between a Hal Arwar and Sabik Arwar?
sir, I have need not read the service laws or revenue laws.
You have to go through them
Yes,
once
sir,
because
I have semester, that's why I cannot.
okay. Mm. So you have not read the service law and revenue
Yes,
law
sir.
at all?
No, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me whether the courts, whether the judiciary will be a state under the constitution?
Sir, sorry, sir, again.
Whether the judiciary can be a state, can be considered a state under the constitution?
Yes, sir. It is given no judgment on the AL Antony versus Union of India.
Okay. Can you also tell me what is the doctrine of severability says?
So several times for any, sir, I can describe now. Sir.
Varsha, tell me, if you are posted as an assistant director of law in the Health and Family Welfare Department of Government of Odisha, and there, while you are posted, another pandemic hits India, and there the government has to impose a lockdown-like situation, like it was imposed earlier. But then you know how the poor migrants or the poor laborers suffered during the lockdown, especially the 21 day lockdown that was imposed in the first instance by the government of India. So, how do you think you will tackle a situation like that so that no problem would arise to the poor persons or the persons who work daily and earn daily and earn their livelihood daily by working for 8 to 10 hours a day?
Yes, sir, I shall first provide them food. Then I shall send them their hometown by bus, any transport. Or if they are unable to transport, then I shall prepare a stay for them.
Okay. Do you really think that India is ready for another lockdown now?
No,
Another
sir.
pandemic?
No,
I
sir.
mean,
There is no situation like that.
no, no, I'm saying if another pandemic happens, do you think India is prepared enough for that?
Yes, sir. India have done very well previous lockdown. It is very prepared.
Okay. Do you know this issue of there was this issue of farmers in Delhi? There was going on Delhi and Punjab. This issue of farmers was going on regarding the farmers bill. Do you know that issue? Can you tell me something about it?
Sir, I know, but I can't explain very well.
It's okay. Explain whatever you know.
So there was a bill passed for the selling of mm, rice.
Okay. Okay. Tell me, if there was a news yesterday in which a farmer had traveled up to 70 kilometer to sell his 512 kgs of onion, and he got 2 rupees for that. He had showed the bill and he told that he got a post-dated check of 2 rupees. Why do you think farmers are facing such a crisis currently?
So there are many intermediaries. There is no transaction between the customer and the real farmer. That's why they take on the intermediary. The intermediaries are taken small price, given them a low price for their cultivation. That's why they are facing problems.
Okay.
There should be direct transaction between the farmer and customers.
Okay. Then only this problem would solve. Right. Also, tell me, why do you think that there should be a uniform civil code implemented in India, or do you support it, or are you against it?
Rai is supported. There should be a uniform civil code. Many women are harassed for this different religion laws. As per Muslims, Christian, they did not get proper justice.
Okay. The POCSO Act came with a very noble motive of curbing the sexual offences against children in 2012. But after that, the only thing that happened was, in fact, the number of cases increased. So there has been a recent amendment in 2019 as well, but that is also not enough and that has not addressed many issues. As an assistant director of law, if you would be given an option to suggest any amendment to the POCSO Act, what would be the amendments?
Sir, I will go through this. Sorry.
Okay, Varsha, no issues. Thank you, Varsha. Pleasure having
Okay,
a
sir.
conversation with you. Join in the feedback session, which will happen in like 2-3 minutes, and we
Yes,
will give you all the feedback regarding your interview. Okay, thank you.
thank you.
All the best.
Thanks.